Hey everyone, it's a cold February day. It's Friday, it's around 4 o'clock and we're just finishing up the day, but I figured we'd give you a little tour of this solar PV system that we're doing in New Paltz, New York. It's always awesome when we do jobs close to home. Our office is right in Modena, so this is a fun one right here. Let me take you through it. So here we are, here's this cute little home. They have a detached garage and the home right over here. You could see Augustine and Eric are right over there installing our combiner panel and running the conduit up to the roof. The guys are on the back side. We have a mix of different roof faces and different attachments. So we have a comp shingle roof over here and we have a standing seam metal roof over here. So you can see here, Eric's installing our monitoring box as well as our combiner panel. Our combiner panel is going to combine each roof together. So all of our strings of solar panels come into the combiner panel. We have a string of panels coming here. So you can see the conduit wraps around the side here from this. And we trenched right across the driveway going to the main house here where we're going to tie it all in. And you can see it's not intrusive at all. When we did the trench, we had put rock over the top of it, and then the customer put concrete over the top of that. So it looks really clean. So you can see here when we're doing an install, we put up caution tape just to stay out of certain areas so that if anything comes off the roof, you're not standing in that area. All right, here we are behind the house and you could see it's a metal roof. So there's no penetrations on a metal roof. We use a clamp and it bites onto the seam of the roof. And right now we have the clamps on the seams. We have our L brackets on top of the clamps and our rails on top of that. And then the micro inverters go up. And last but not least is the panels. But right now the guys are doing all the wire management. What is the wire management? The wire management is connecting all the microinverters together on the rails and running all of those to our junction box, where our junction box brings all the wires from the rooftop down to the combiner panel where Eric was working before. So this is the before and mid point of the install. You can see the comp shingle roof is done. We're finishing up the metal roof. We're going to be here for a little bit more, just doing odds and ends and cleaning up, and then we'll be back on Monday to lay panels. So signing out, and you'll see the finished project coming soon. You can see here, this is another angle of the back roof here.